If you want to change call volume on Motorola Edge 7 Pro, usually you can do that during a call. You can just use the volume down or volume up button in order to quickly adjust the caller volume level. Even if your phone is not unlocked, if it's still locked, if you keep your phone right next to your ear, you should still be able to use volume up or volume down to adjust the call volume. But if you want to adjust the caller volume before you even start the call, then you can open the phone app, and then in here you can use volume up or volume down in order to adjust it. Here on the left side, if you're wondering what this slider is, it is for media, which usually, of course, this is how we can, of course, adjust the caller volume level. This is usually how we can adjust the media volume level, but inside this app we can adjust the call volume instead. And also let's check out the audio settings. So if you open settings on your phone, we should be able to find sound and vibration, and here we have the call volume, which also we can adjust, so you can check out this thing as well. Leave a like and subscribe.